So this is another day, and if you hear a slight sound, this is because Whitey the cat is snoring on my lap. Ah, a comfortable cat that snores. Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
Have you ever tried to eat a clock? It's very time consuming.
It would be. And well, so this is I've done almost a minute now. What am I to do today? Well, nothing much, I suppose, other than try and fill in the form and and um, and so let's have. Okay, Google, tell me a fact.
Alrighty, here's one. Wikipedia says the oldest American miniature horse lived to 50 years old and was affected by dwarfism. The horse's name was Angel.
Oh, so I actually don't know how long horses normally live, so I don't know if that. I can. I suppose. How long? Oh, okay, Google. How long does a horse normally live?
25 to 33 years.
Ah,
On the website thesprucepets.com, they say, according to the Ontario Ministry of Agriculture, the average lifespan of a domestic horse is 25 to 33 years.
so
Many horses go well beyond this average. Ponies tend to live longer, with many ponies still serving as schoolmasters well into their 30s.
ponies serving as schoolmasters. I'm not sure I understood that. Anyway, that's it for today then.